Hello. Okay. I just want to make a quick comment. This is going to be pretty quick. And all of that. Yes, I know I've been slacking with the children video. I have everything together that I needed, that I need for it. I've just been too tired lately. But I'm going to get to it. Anyways, I'm just wondering about this rainfall thing in California. They're evacuating people and they're claiming that the excuse is mudslides and shit. Now, those fires were put out like last month, beginning last month, something like that. And they're evacuating people over fucking rain. Over rain. It's rained in the United States for eons. Eons. And they're evacuating. There's something else going on with this. There is something else going on. I just can't exactly figure it out just yet. But there's something else going on. That's just a bit too fishy. And then I found out too, um, how they even started those fires. It was a test. It was some kind of laser test, and it's part of the whole geoengineering program. It's not just the fact that I came into recent things stating that China owns California and Hawaii. It's part of why they bought up the six major movie production companies. Well, no, I meant, but yeah, basically what that article was saying is that our government, basically, I don't even want to say sold off California and Hawaii to China, but because of the debt that we owe them, they basically gave China, Hawaii, and California. Now, with that happening, if China doesn't want anybody on their property, then by any and whatever means they can get them off. But, hold on. The FEMA camps. So this could be some kind of a way to push people into the FEMA camps, like what happened with Harvey and the other fake Hurricane Irma, and then how Jose just said nope, never mind. After Feinstein said, yeah, we gave those people all that money, and then all of a sudden Jose just gets diverted. Who was it that Feinstein said that they paid off? Some climate change jackhorse. Anyways, and then all of a sudden, Jose makes that sharp turn because it was I'll just say geoengineered in that direction to do that. Anyways, shit can be looked up, y'all. Anyways, oh man. Oh man. Anyways, but yes, that shit with California is pretty funny. The whole circumstances, and we need to evacuate people because of the mudslides and the rainfall. How many fucking different areas has there been mudslides and extreme rainfalls? India gets monsoons. What the fuck? Oh yeah, and I heard something else too. See, another thing that shows that geoengineering is alive and well. There's no such thing as climate change. Not ever. When you sit up here and you have motherfucking spring skies doing tests to our weather and shit like that, that's part of the geoengineering program. There's no such thing as climate change. Anyways, crap, I just forgot the comment I was going to make. Anyways, but yeah, y'all don't take that too lightly. They're definitely coming for us, especially us colored people. They're really coming. It's it's gonna come out. It's gonna come out. Oh yeah, yeah. That's what I was saying with the China thing. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, through some defaulted bonds and stuff like that were purposefully done. That's the money that we owed China. They were able to exchange it basically for California and Hawaii. Anyways, like I was saying, so yeah, if China wants nobody on their land, then they can just go ahead and push people off by whatever means necessary. And the fire was a test, part of the geoengineering program. I'm sounding repetitive. I'm trying to catch myself up. Like I'm still wondering. I'm still wondering, like, why in the hell haven't hasn't Californians gotten the memo that they are now property of China? They don't know that. Anyways, so that's probably part of the secession move too. It's not just to be a separate state, but to make this whole transference a whole lot easier. You know, to make it a whole lot easier, to make them think that they're some kind of independent. And it's like, nah, y'all belong to China. Y'all are Chinese now. You know, you're Chinese. Anyways, but no, how I found out about the laser thing is I ran into an article. No, it was a site that basically broke it down, and then what also confirmed it is that one Asian physicist, Matsutori or whatever his name is, uh, literally sat up there and said a while back, and I did not know up until I heard the Clyde Lewis programming, and his subject was geoengineering. Anyways, he literally sat up there and said that they're testing uh, lasers out to create lightning and other weather anomalies, and something about lasers planting seeds, something like that. Anyways, and then it got me to thinking, like, California, oh my gosh, the wildfires, and then now this. And I was just looking at it. It's like a massive rainstorm that they got going. Like, people, please stop believing in global warming. Stop believing in climate change. They're fucking up our weather systems. They're fucking up our weather systems. And then got they nerve to say, oh, it's this, oh, it's. No, it's them. It's them doing it. Yeah, the earth has its own changes and stuff like that, but if people really think about it, it's gradual. Not all of a sudden. Not all of a sudden they have these 10.6 magnitude earthquakes, that they have these ice hurricanes forming in other areas that is not where it's supposed to be. It's you have those every so often where something happens on the flip side. Okay, fine. But it's the way that it happens. And I didn't find out about the ice hurricane up until what, the day before yesterday? I didn't know about it. I didn't know about it up until then. It was called Grayson. But yeah, and it did the same thing like what Irma did. When Irma was, going, making her descent to land, um it stalled. It stalled, and from what I understand, it looked like it wanted to go out into the Atlantic, but it was being kept on the coast, hugging the coast. So it rode up. And you want to know something? Also, with Irma, thinking about it, uh, once she hit landfall, why did she came all the way up here to Tennessee? I'm in Chattanooga, which is like on the border of Tennessee and Georgia. She went around us. Like, what kind of crap is that? And then she was still a tropical. She was a tropical depression for the damn longest, making it all the way up here. I don't. People need to start paying attention. There are too many signs pointing to geoengineering. Oh yeah, and then how I found out how those three storms intensified. See, Hurricane Harvey was a test when they started to put soot and whatever into the hurricanes while they're out in the ocean to intensify them and basically control them. Basically, it was perfected when it came down to Irma and Jose. People is out there. The information is out there. Just, man, aerosol spraying and all of that. But yeah, back to California and their evacuations unnecessarily. They're probably putting them in FEMA camps. I mean, China's pretty good for putting people in camps and shit, you know? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Oh yeah, and for all those who are still looking for their family members after Harvey, they're in FEMA camps too. I'm not really too sure if they did the same thing with people after Irma and Jose, but I know for sure Harvey. They're in FEMA camps. You're probably never going to hear from them. That sucks. But the evidence is out there with the FEMA camps, and there should be a way to get that stuff shut down. To get it shut down, there has to be a way. There has to be a way to get them shut down, because that's something where they're holding people indefinitely. It's bullshit. Anyways, people gotta understand, shit is really getting real. It's really getting real. Slowly but surely. But yeah, don't believe the crap when it comes down to the California fucking rainfall shit. There's a plot. It's a plot. It's part of the plot. And there's an ending agenda. That's all I'm trying to say. Anyways, bye.